Hey guys, how are you? So today I wanted to go over your sight words for chapter 25. We're going to look through them, then we will go over the worksheet that goes with it as well. I know this is a little later in the week, so if you have not already, please make flashcards. I believe, let's see, we'll do this because this will be easier. Please make flashcards for these words, go through them. You should have started going through them on Monday, but I know this is a little later than usual. So make flashcards, use them in a sentence, try and figure out how many syllables they have, and we're going to do that together as well. All right, so let's go back to that worksheet. Here we go. I'm going to say them first, and then you're going to repeat after me. So here we go. Buy, party, city, please, family, school, myself, 7. Oh, that's it. Okay, so we're going to go back up top. I'm going to use each word in a sentence, and then down below I would like you to use at least 2 words, 2 high frequency words, and put them in 2 different sentences. Buy. I am going to buy groceries at the store. I just did that today, actually. Party. My, let's see. No, that's not good. I'm going to have a butterfly birthday party. City. We live in the city of Columbus. Please. Can I please have another cookie? Family. I love my family so much. School. I miss our school days so much. Myself. What can we do for myself? I like myself when I'm being kind towards others. 7. When I am 7 years old. All right, let's go back through and clap out the syllables. Buy, buy. 1 syllable. Party, party. 2. City, city. 2. Please, please. Just 1 right there. Family, family. Or family. Which one do you think it is? I think it's actually family. School, school. Myself, myself. 7, 7. 2 right there as well. So down below, please, 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 please use at least 2 of these words in 2 different sentences, and you can write them or say them aloud, and that's for that. Sorry, I'm still kind of awkward with this. Okay, and then to go along with your words to know, I believe this is page 20. You're going to use the words from our high frequency chapter from chapter 25 this week and choose the best word to fit in the correct sentence. So, number 1, Tran is a student at my what? School. So you would write school, SCHOOL, cross it off. We live in a big blank. It would be, we live in a big party? No. We live in a big buy? No. We live in a big city. Number 3, blank, wash your hands. Please wash your hands. So you would write please, write number 3. My mom is part of my blank. Choose one of these words, write it down here. Number 5, I am going to Anna's blank. Choose one of these words, cross it off. And then last but not least, number 6, I can play the game by blank. Choose the last word and write it down here. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys, I miss you. Bye.